Skin can not only glow, but it can give you internship too. Yes, you heard it right. Deconstruct Skincare Internship is back with another bang season. Here you'll be learning and getting some cool internship over here that too paid. Apart from this, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Coming to the internship directly, it's Deconstruct Skincare Internship 2026 Season 2, and the round for application and screening round had been started. Now, who can apply? Most of you are asking this. So, anyone over the age of 18 can apply. Means if you are from different streams also, then also you can take part in it. Anyone can take part in it. The important thing you need to understand while applying, I will share the link in the description. You have to just log in with Google or etc. Any email ID if you want to do, and enter your details and just apply over here. And some important things, there will be multiple rounds. For example, round 1 is for application and screening rounds. Means whatever data you'll be filling, they'll verify it. And then after that, they will call you for video submission. In video submission, they'll be just shortlisting all the participants, and after that, there will be round 3, where they'll just getting a personal chance to get interviewed with the Deconstruct team, and after that, you will be getting a chance to get 1 lakh plus internship. Okay, apart from this, you'll be getting a chance to be featured on the billboard, and there'll be some more industry experts and top dermatologists who will be guiding you throughout the session. Important deadlines to take care that the applications will be closing on 8th of February, and make sure to just apply. Whether you win, whether you not win, this is different thing, but you should take part in it. I've shared the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Apart from this, if you are interested in Google Cloud Arcade, here is a video I've shared. You can watch it. I've shared the link in the description. And if you still have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.